There is now an update in the case of the missing submarine that went to explore the Titanic. Banging sounds were heard Tuesday during the search for the missing Titan submersible, indicating continued hope of survivors, according to an internal government memo. A massive search operation is underway to find the vessel with 5 people on board that went missing Sunday on a trip to view the wreckage of the Titanic. It's a race against time, as the U.S. Coast Guard said the vessel had about 40 hours of breathable air left during an update at 1 p.m. ET Tuesday. Crews searching for the Titan submersible heard banging sounds every 30 minutes Tuesday, according to an internal government memo update on the search. 4 hours later, after additional sonar devices were deployed, banging was still heard, the memo said. It was unclear when the banging was heard Tuesday or for how long, based on the memo. A subsequent update sent Tuesday night suggested more sounds were heard, though it was not described as banging. Additional acoustic feedback was heard and will assist in vectoring surface assets and also indicating continued hope of survivors, according to that update. A Canadian P-3 aircraft also located a white rectangular object in the water, according to that update, but another ship set to investigate was diverted to help research the acoustic feedback instead, according to that update. The Joint Rescue Coordination Center is working to find an underwater remote-operated vehicle to help assist in the search, according to the memo.